Okay, this is not a good way to start my day. So basically, throughout last week, I was very busy, and over the weekend, I went to Toronto to have like a chill time with my friends from school. Working is good, but a good work-life balance is even better. But clearly, I didn't really do a good job before I left the house. And a clean workspace or a clean desk is one of the best ways to start your week because it is almost the same thing as waking up and making your own bed. So as you see, I changed from my hoodie to a t-shirt. So this is me in my everyday life. This is what I wear when I'm at home. So this is as real as it gets. So follow me in the day of my life as I clean my studio, or at least I attempt to clean my studio. Let's go. So this is the aftermath of a clean studio. I love my workspace. It brings me so much joy having to work here every single day. But you want to know the crazy part? This same desk is going to get messy at the end of the week. But I guess that is the point of everything, making sure you declutter your desk as frequently as possible. Well, that's been it. What are your ways of decluttering your own desk? Comment down below and let me know. And if you want to see me roast 5 different desk setups, including my own that I just cleaned, click this video right here or right here. One of these 2 places, click the video so you can see that for yourself. Thank you guys for watching. My name is KJ, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.